Alright guys, so I recently started a 9 to 5 job. So pardon me if there is noise in the environment. I recently started a 9 to 5 job. So one of the reasons I started this 9 to 5 is to one to have the zeal to work harder on my business and to prove to you that anybody can build a real online business despite having a 9 to 5 job, you understand? Your 9 to 5 is not a barrier that you can't build a real online business. Yeah. Alex Moses said it clearly that now your 9 to 5 is not killing you. What is killing you is your 5 to 9. You understand? So, if you are someone who is ambitious, if you're someone who has a dream, after working on your 9 to 5, you can still work on your business. You can still work on your dreams. You understand? After the 9 to 5. Now, currently, I work from 4 a.m. to 12 noon. Then from 12 noon to 4 p.m. I usually to work on my business. Then for 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. I used to do the job again. And then from 9 p.m. to 12, 11 p.m. I used to work on my business again. So if you're someone who really loves your business, who really loves to grow, who really love to see yourself have the freedom you crave for, your 9 to 5 will never be a barrier. So in this YouTube channel, I'm gonna be documenting my journey, my processes on building my online business, even though I have a 9 to 5. So if you're someone who has a 9 to 5, starting to build an online business, or someone who is looking for a way to make money online, then this is the right time to subscribe.